What's up? This is Theo here. Welcome back to Free Code Camp, Lesson 19, JavaScript Algorithms and Data Structure Certification, Basic JavaScript. Today we're on record collection. So basically we want to write a function which takes an album ID. Let's turn off this real quick. Takes an album ID, like 2548, property, prop, and a value, right? So if prop isn't tracks, value isn't empty. So let's go ahead and write these, right? So say if prop is not equal to tracks, and value isn't empty, and value is not equal to this empty string, update or set the value, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to say what to do. Let's see, collection, let's see. So I want to say collection. Actually, what do I want to do? Let's say collection of ID of prop equals value. Okay. All right. Next one. And then we can just, I'm just going to return from all these. So if prop is equal to tracks, if prop is tracks, but the album, prop isn't tracks, no isn't empty, update your function must always return the entire collection object. And now we'll just go ahead and return the collection. Alright, so next one is if prop is tracks, the album doesn't have a tracks property. Alright, actually, I think what we need to do, const, item equals collection of ID. We can say if item dot has own property. What are we checking for? Doesn't have a tracks property. Oh, sorry, actually, never mind. That's fine. We can just go ahead and return that. So if prop equals tracks, or let's say var item equals collection of ID, and we say if not item dot has own property tracks, then what we want to do is basically create an empty array, and we can say our new tracks, let's say tracks to add, make this array, and what we can do is say item of item dot tracks equals tracks to add, and we'll return the collection. And then what we can do here is say the prop is tracks and value isn't empty, right? Then we can say delete the given prop from the album, and we can say tracks value isn't empty. Let's see. Oh wait. Empty. If item dot tracks dot length. Let's say that. Item dot tracks dot push, and then we can say value, and then we can say we can go ahead and return our collection right there too. And then finally what we can do is we can say If value is empty, delete the given property. Let me just run a few of these to see where we're at. So let's see. Take a. Alright, tracks should not be set. We'll say if not value, delete tracks else. Let me try and run this, clear this up a little bit. Okay, I got a few more of those to pass. And then we can say if not value, let's return collection. Okay, let's go ahead and run that. And let's see, what are we failing on? Tracks, take a chance of me. And then if m.property tracks.length. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, and then we should just say if not value, delete collection of ID of prop, return collection, turn that, and then let's see. If not items is not fine. There we go. Okay, so got a few more left. Let's see. Date record 245 artist. Prop is not equal to tracks. And value is not equal to prop is equal to tracks. Not value. Let's see. Collection ID. Let's see. Why is it not? It should be. Let me just make sure. Let's just go and look at this real quick. Let's see what we're failing on. So it's not. Let's see. Date records 5439. So if I'm the tracks.length 5439. Dot tracks.length. Track. Oh wait, hold on. I think that's why if not value. Collection. Track should be set. Probably tracks the value isn't empty. Empty. Create empty array. Oh wait, I think we still need to create it. No? Never mind. I think I had that right the first time. Alright, so let me see what's going on. So with this one, tracks, check a chance on me. It should come into here. It has appropriate tracks. 439. Shouldn't have any tracks. And then value, tracks to add, and then we should say value, right? That's right. Okay. And then let's see. So now update 1245. I think this is where we're going wrong because this already has tracks. I've got tracks length. Um. Oh, I think we need to save this, right? Property tracks. Run that. There we go. And it was returning false because length is 0 and 0 is false. So after update records, artist should not be set. Let's go ahead and find this one. So clean that up a little bit. And 2548 artist tracks and value. And then it should say delete. Which is not tracks. Values. Log ID prop value. Let's make sure. I have a feeling it might be running in here. Let's go ahead and run this. So it's running 254. No, it's not running in there. So let's see. Value. Let's run this. No, it's not running in there either. Tracks. Okay. Oh, that's what's wrong. Sorry. This needs to be outside of here. And that should now work. There we go. Cool. Sorry about that, guys. So next one. It took a little bit of time just to think through the different test cases. So iterate with JavaScript while loops. So this is a while loop. Basically, we can say we want to pretty much output or do this block of code while this condition is met. So push the number 0 to 4 into my array. So we'll say while. Okay, we'll just do this variable right here. We'll say while I equals 0. And we'll say while I is less than 4. And basically we'll just say my array dot push I, and we'll just increment I right here. So go to 1, and then let's go ahead and run that. And then let's see, do I need to return it or something? Let me see. Array dot push I, and why is it? Is it not? Make sure. Console.log my array. Say 1, 2, 3. Let's do this. Okay. So there we go. Good to go. Number 3, for loops, same sort of thing, but with a for statement. So what we can do here is we can say for var I equals 0. This is our initializer point. This is our condition. I is less than. So I is less than or equal to. So we're going to start at this. I is equal to 1. I is less than or equal to 5. I plus plus. And we'll just say my array dot push I. Let's go ahead and run that. Good to go. Number 4, iterate odd numbers with a for loop. So we'll say for var equals I equals 1, I is less than or equal to 9, I plus plus. And basically to get the odd numbers, we'll say if I divisible by 2 is not equal to 0, which means it has a remainder, it must be odd. So go ahead and push I. Go ahead and run that. Good to go. And let me just make sure. I think that was number 5. Let's just look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Count backwards. So we're going to push the odd numbers from 9 to 1, 9 through 1 to my array using a for loop. So we'll say for var I equals 9. I is greater than 0, I minus minus, right? And so yeah, you could do this too. I think either one's fine. And I think, let's see, did that work? I minus equals 2, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1. I guess that would. I minus equals 2. And I think if we do my array dot push I here, this will work. There we go. Oh, yeah, just going back to the last lesson, you probably could have done this too. I was just like, my brain. It's early in the morning, so hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you did, thumbs up. Go check out the videos in the description for the course I recommend on Udemy. Great course to learn React, JavaScript. As always, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good day.